Hello friends, now we will see HTML element and HTML attributes. Now first we will see what are HTML elements. An HTML element is defined by a starting tag. If the element contains other content, it ends with closing tag, where the element name is preceded by the forward slash. Now in simple word, HTML element is defined by a starting tag, some content and an ending tag. In the table, as you can see, I have written start tag. In start tag, it have p. These are called as HTML element. Now HTML element is defined by starting tag, some content and ending tag. Like tag name, p for paragraph, h1 for heading content, divide for division content. Now we will see an example of HTML element. HTML, we will see an easy example. So HTML head, title, then HTML element, HTML elements. So yes, elements, title, now slash head, now body. The visible part is shown in body. Now we'll write h1 heading line. This is our second program slash h1. Now p paragraph. This is used for paragraph. Now slash p and u. U means underline. So U means underline. So I will save the program. Save as. Now I will save the program. Element dot html. See, this is our second program and this is used for paragraph. This is called as HTML element. It is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag HTML and end tag slash HTML. Then inside HTML it contains body, like body h1 for heading slash h1. Body elements defines the document's body. It has a start tag body and end tag slash body. Then inside the body element there are two other elements, h1 and p. H for heading and p for paragraph. So h1 for heading and p for paragraph. 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 So paragraph. And as I said earlier that HTML is not case sensitive, which means if I write p in small letters and slash p in capital letters, so output will be same. Now we'll see what are HTML attributes. In simple words, HTML attributes HTML attributes provide an additional information about HTML elements. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes are always specified in the start tag, and all HTML elements can have attributes. We'll see all the attributes one by one. Now first we will see href attribute. Href attribute. First is href attribute. Now what is href attribute? It specifies the URL of the page. Now we'll see an example. So HTML head title. In title we have to write attributes slash title slash head. No, body. We'll write a. And what is a? A tag defines a hyperlink. href. So href, I'll just copy the link is equal to double quotes. Now visit YouTube slash body, and I will just save it. Save. Now visit YouTube. See. Again I will show you. Visit YouTube. Its tag are, just will write a href slash, it is denoted by a href slash. Now next is src attribute. We'll write src attribute. Now what is src attribute? It is used for image. It specifies the path to the image. Now, and it is written as img src. Now what is img? Img tag is used to embed an image in HTML page. Now we'll see an example of src. h2 src attribute slash h2. Now image g src give save it, and then we will see the output. See, this is called as src attribute. Next is width and height attribute. Height attribute. So an image tag should also contain width and height attributes, which specify the width and height of a image. Now we will see alt attributes. So alt attributes. So what is alt attributes? The required alt attributes for image tag, it specify alternate text for an image. Now we will see an example of alt attributes. Give a name. So alt, by using alt, to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Now width we'll take as 500 and height we'll take as 600. 600. Now we'll just save it and I'll just change the name ALT attribute. So save. Now as you can see, we have written subscribe to my channel, but in our output it is not coming. Why? Because what alt attribute does is it will show what was the description of the image. So to show alt attribute output, I'll just write, I'll just remove F. So and it will say I am writing wrong spelling. To show alt attribute, I am removing F. I am giving the wrong word so that we can see alt attribute. Subscribe to my channel. It will show subscribe to my channel. So just I will see subscribe to my channel. Yes, shown. This is called as alt attribute. Now we will see next, which is style attribute. We just write style attribute. Style attribute. Style attributes. Now what is style attribute? Style attribute. Now what is style attribute? It is style attribute used to add styles to an element, such as colors, font, size, and much more. Now we'll see an example of style attribute. So style, style attribute, paragraph, style, color, 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 dot red. This is a red paragraph. Paragraph /p. Change the font so that we can see the size. I will change the font size. I will change the font size so that we can see the code properly. So see h1 style attribute, h2 p paragraph 1. We'll just write h1 h2 style color green. This is style attribute example /h2 example. I'll just save it and refresh. See style attribute. This is style attribute example. This is red paragraph. This is called as style attribute. Now in next video we will see headings. Thank you for watching.